guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Good morning to you all guys, and it's such a beautiful morning guys. I'm in New York, that's New Jersey, and I'm really enjoying this morning. It's such a beautiful morning and the sun has just come out. There's snow everywhere guys, and you know guys, there are three deers which just come out and they stroll around, and if they come today I'm definitely going to show you. They're so cute, just to stroll around. It's so beautiful just to see them, and it's so exciting. And when you open your doors, they just try to come inside, and my doors are all closed right now because it's all snow everywhere and I cannot go out in the snow, and it's very cold for me. So I'm really enjoying the morning just from the window. It's just amazing, so beautiful guys, and I'm having my nice warm lemon water, which I cannot do without it. And my Indian tea has also come. They've just said Indian tea. And guys, I'm quarantined for 10 days, just in one room, and I'm going to show you around what exactly in this room and what exactly I do, just a little bit. And I'm just enjoying myself, really enjoying myself. It's such a this moment just to be with yourself, not do anything much, just laze around and having a great time. And I'm really enjoying this moment because this moment I'm experiencing something very different, just locked in one room for 10 days, and just you can do whatever you want, and you can really enjoy, and you can pamper yourself, see yourself, do the things which you have not done, and you can do it in that just in 10 days. And that's so exciting guys. So I'm really excited to go along. And today is the third day. I couldn't click a video yesterday, so today is actually a third day. So I have just few days to go guys, and I'm fully fine. It's just that I have to quarantine for 10 days because when you travel it's important to quarantine. So it's going to be a little exciting, so stay tuned and continue watching guys. So guys, I'm going to enjoy my warm lemon water. It's so refreshing in the morning, and it's so good for your body, for your system, to have warm lemon water in the morning. And guys, there's more exciting news coming soon guys, so I will tell you soon in my next vlogs. Till then, keep on guessing what is the exciting news guys for what I've come to USA and what I'm going to tell you all. And it's going to be something which is going to be very different in my channel guys, and I'm really excited to do it, and I hope you all will enjoy it guys. So stay tuned and continue watching my channel to see the next vlog guys. So guys, now I'm going to have my Indian tea, which I just got early in the morning, and it's 7 o'clock in the morning right now, and I'm going to enjoy my Indian tea, everything in my hand. I don't have to make anything. That's the best part of it. So I'm going to enjoy it. It's my Indian tea. It's masala tea with ginger, nice and hot. I'm really going to enjoy my Indian tea guys. So guys, after my Indian tea I'm going to see you later, and I'm going to show you around where exactly I'm living and how I'm living guys. I just finished my workout. I really enjoy doing my workout for 30 minutes. It's so important for your mind, for your body, and it's so refreshing. You feel so active the whole day. And I also did a little bit of Bollywood dance at the end. And without Bollywood dance, my workout doesn't complete. I really enjoyed doing Bollywood dance. And I feel so refreshed, so active, guys. See guys, the sun has just come out. It's so beautiful. I really feel like going out, but I cannot go out. It's so beautiful, you know, just to have a walk in the snow. Guys, now I'll show you the whole room where I'm staying. It's in the basement and it's very cute and just enough for me, guys. So I'll take you around. So guys, in this room there's sofa and there's table and there's cute little plants. And there's a beautiful window up here and here. It's very lighted, this place. And this window is here also. And this is a very comfortable armchair where I just sit down and I read my book. And guys, this is my bed, very comfortable and cozy bed. I really enjoy sleeping here. And guys, there is some goodies here, yet I have not touched them. It's so tempting, but I'm just controlling myself on chips and brownies and everything. And there is oranges and there's one apple and honey, and there is Indian biscuits which I really love, which is called glucose biscuit, and I really love that. So I just ate 2-3, and this is the Indian snack. It's like a mixture. It's very yummy. With tea you can have, or with a drink. It's really yummy. And this is honey. Honey, I usually don't take with my lemon water honey, but she's just given me honey. So honey is also there, and there's a window also here. It's very lighted and nice. And there is a speaker, and this is a projector where I can watch my movies and serials or anything I want. There's a projector here, which is going to be really, I love to watch movies on the projector. It's so, you really enjoy it, you know, with the dim lights and just a drink, and you really enjoy watching any movie on the projector. I've not seen a movie since so long. I've just been doing work. I've not seen any movie. Can you believe it, guys? I really want to watch a movie. And this is a small gym here. I've not yet started doing these machines. Need to know how to do these machines. So there is a machine here, and there's a ball, and there's another, and weightlifting. That also I've not yet started yet. And this is very nicely they made. This is actually a basement where they have made a gym also. So yet the things have to still come, I think. So there's no treadmill. Otherwise I love doing treadmill. But walking outside is the best exercise where you can do in the fresh air. And this is the mirror. Very nice, cute mirror. This is the door where I go out and take my food and my lunch, my dinner, my tea, everything. So I'll just show you. This is the place. And this is a toilet and a shower place. And this is the mirror. Cute and small. And this is the shower. I kept all my stuffs. My shower gel, my face wash, my shampoo, my conditioner, and without coconut oil I cannot do. And my coconut oil is also there. So guys, this is the kettle to make the hot water. So I only have hot water and I just make my lemon water most of the time, and I have green tea. So it's very important, you know, to hydrate yourself, especially it's very important. And these are the wipes where I just clean the whole table when they give me food. So it's very important to sanitize every time when they give you food or anything. Though I'm just, you know, quarantined for 10 days, I have no symptoms, but it's very important to sanitize every time whenever you receive any food or anything. So, you know, it's very important to be careful. So every time I just sanitize whenever they give something. Guys, my breakfast has come. This is egg tortillas and my chai, Indian chai, masala tea. So I'm going to enjoy it. It looks so yummy. So delicious. Inside is onions, capsicum. It's really delicious. Very healthy breakfast. Eggs has lots of proteins. So after a good workout, you need good breakfast. And my Indian tea, masala tea. So delicious. So guys, I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast and I'll see you later. Guys, you see these deers? They just came here. Oh my god, so cute. I'm sure they're feeling so cold. Guys, you saw this small cute little room and I hope you liked it. It's such a beautiful place. It's in the basement and I'm just loving this place. It's so lighted and it's so positive and there's so much to do in this place, and I have to complete all my work. And you know, this is the best time just to be focused on yourself and to do the things which you have not done, and you know, to be just by yourself and see yourself, you pamper yourself and do the things which you have not done. And it's something, a very different feeling, you know, just to be by yourself in one room. And I'm really experiencing it and I'm just loving it also. And there's so much to do. I have a full book which I have to complete, and this is the book where I write all my, whenever we make our videos, first we make a script and we write our points. So this is the book which I have to, you know, do a lot of things on my channel. And I have this book, and I got a gift from one of my friends for Valentine's Day. So this is a book with a pen, and I'm just loving this book. And this also book I'm going to use very soon, you know, in these few days. Lots of work to complete and just to pamper myself and enjoy. So when you're in quarantine, this is the best time, you know, to see yourself, to stay happy, and you know, to hydrate yourself is very important. And to sanitize your hand and wash your hand thoroughly is very important. And guys, before you travel, you need to take a COVID test. And I went for COVID test in Shibuya, that's Tokyo. And I went and I was very nervous. I went for the first time. I didn't know how it's going to be. So they took my test and they said they will email me the next day in the afternoon. And I was the full time I was really nervous. My heart was just beating what the test is going to say. And of course it came negative. And I was very excited, you know. I was flying on the 14th Feb, but I was also very nervous, you know, because flying during this time, it's very scary and everybody makes you very scared somewhere, and you do get scared. So I was very nervous, you know, flying alone. But I went in the airport and I saw it's just empty, you know, and I was like, my heart was beating. There was hardly few people. And on the flight, the passengers were only 4 in business class, and I don't know about the economy class, but just 4 passengers in the business class. And of course, business class is very comfortable, you know, they greet you very nicely, they make you very comfortable. But I was nervous, but then later I was not nervous. And once the flight landed, and it landed just 45 minutes earlier, and United Airlines are just so amazing, they are so efficient, and I really like it. The flight landed 45 minutes earlier and somebody was waiting for me, But I had to wait for somebody because my flight landed very early, 45 minutes earlier. So, but that's fine. And I took my luggage, and I was every time sanitizing my hands. You know, when you touch something, you have to be very careful, you have to wash your hands. So I just took my luggage, and I was wearing a plastic gloves which I had in my purse. I carried few plastic gloves. So you should just wear plastic gloves and just throw that immediately, after you leave the airport. Just throw that immediately and just wash your hands, sanitize your hands. I just took my bag, and I was just waiting, and that person who came to pick me up, he came, and I went, and I was finally, my heart stopped beating. My heart was beating all the time, when I reached the airport in New York. My heart was beating, to take the bags and everything, but that's fine. But I never experienced such a thing, because when you travel, you're so excited, people are walking, it's fun. But this time it was so lonely and gloomy, and so, nobody is there. It's like you just feel, I hope the things are back to normal. I'm really praying for that everything gets back to normal. I'm blessed that I reached safely. I'm in quarantine time, and I don't have any symptoms till now, and I'm perfectly fine, and I'm just enjoying. I'm doing a lot of workout. So during this time, if you're in quarantine time, just be happy, work out, hydrate yourself, do the things which you have not done. This is the best time just to focus on yourself, to love yourself, and to do the things which you have not done. And that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm just loving this moment. It's really a very different feeling, just to be locked in one room without anybody, without talking. Of course, FaceTime we are doing, but that's a different thing. And I'm just loving it. And just be happy and do the things which you love to do, and your days will just pass like that. And I'm just loving it. So guys, this was my video for today. I hope this video is very helpful. So if you're traveling, you just be very careful, wash your hands, wear gloves, wear a mask, do everything possible. And of course, you do get nervous, just don't get so nervous. Everything will be fine. Just do the things which you have to do, and just do not touch anything unnecessary. And when you go to toilet also, just be very careful in the public toilet in airport. That also you have to be very careful. Just sanitize everything. Just be very careful. And of course, when you fly, you have to quarantine, and then just be happy and do the things which you love to do, and have plenty of water. And I only take warm water and green tea. I don't take the normal water temperature. Just warm water is very good for your body, and it just take proper care of yourself. Absolutely, just focus on yourself, and you can easily focus on yourself. So guys, I hope this video is very helpful for you. And if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And guys, many of you just watch my video and you don't subscribe to my channel. Don't do that. Do subscribe to my channel. This motivates me to make more great videos. And more great videos are coming in my channel. And if you subscribe to my channel, thank you very much for subscribing. And guys, I'll see you soon with my next exciting video. Till then, take good care of yourself, keep yourself happy, and drink plenty of water and hydrate yourself. Bye guys, love you all.